Right Jezzy, here's a video on keeping the hob looking nice, spring and dandy. Key thing you got to remember is there's a child lock. So one maintenance issue you could find is that you can't actually turn it on or off. Right, child lock works by turning it on and then touching the key at the same time. So just both at the same time. So you see that? A good old right, to turn it back off, both at the same time. Off it goes. Just bear with it, it's about 3 seconds, isn't it? Do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, okay, it's about 3 seconds. Turn it off again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it's about 4 seconds. So, to keep it looking nice and shiny, right, what we've got is we've got obviously the hob bright, you know, there's one above the shoe rack. Then we've got this dandy machine which slides up and down. Nice little thumb tool there, slides up and down, up and down. I've just put a nice sharp end on it. If that starts to just act up, it's not as sharp as a razor used to actually shave my face, but it's still sharp enough to give you a cut if you're not careful. Yeah, so be real careful with your hands. Obviously it stays like that, so it's guarded. When you need to use it, you slide it down and the blade is revealed. Yeah, so keep it like that. If you need a new blade, right, these are in here. Basically what you do is take a blade out, right, like so, or you just wait for me. So actually I don't think you'll ever need to actually even do this, so I would actually say you don't even need to do that, but just letting you know it's there. If you had a disaster with a pressure cooker or something, you just take a blade out, and then you just need to use a screwdriver to basically undo this bit here, and then what it will do is it'll take these two bits off, 1 and 2, right? So personally don't think you need to use it. Anyway, I'm just showing you. To actually clean the hob, all you do is first of all give the hob bright a shake. It's not a liquid that stays in solution very well, so you do have to give it a shake before you use it. Once you've shaked it, what you're looking to do is just squeeze a bit on, like so, like so. And once you've done that, you're just looking to let it rub in. So to use the back of the brush and just rub it into everything. Just rub it in to the whole thing, like so, like that. Once you've rubbed it in, what you're doing is waiting for, I think it says how many minutes. Well, it doesn't tell you how long to wait, but anyway, you're waiting a few minutes for that to kind of dry up a little bit on the hob. Just rub it a little bit more. There we go. Just make sure it's all covered. There we go, and it gives off a nice, lovely smell. Not really. Once you've rubbed it in, let it dry, and then all you're going to do is reveal the blade, and you're just going to scrape the whole thing at a shallow angle, kind of like that, not like that. You can imagine what that does, but if you do it at a shallow angle, you know, anything like that, it's quite relaxed. Up here, obviously, you know, you're going to just probably you're going to jab it, right? So at a shallow angle, you're just looking to scrape. Yeah, so just with a shallow angle, you're just going to scrape it all off. Right, once you scrape it all off, then you're just going to use the back of the blue cloth, obviously, but before you do that, just going to protect the edge. And you can actually clean that under the sink. Once you've used it, just turn the faucet on, clean it under a sink, let it dry, which is why sometimes you see me put it here, letting it dry, and then you can actually wipe it all down with a blue cloth to make it nice and shiny. Okay? Thanks.